Picture this: the dazzling lights of the Las Vegas Strip, the allure of world-class entertainment, and the promise of no state income tax. It's a city that never sleeps, where every night feels like a party, and job opportunities abound. But before you pack your bags and roll the dice on a new life, we've got a question for you. Should you move to Las Vegas? In this video, we're delving deep into the neon-lit heart of Sin City to uncover the pros and cons of calling Las Vegas home. We'll guide you through the shimmering mirage of possibilities and reveal the hidden pitfalls. So, if you're considering making the move to the desert oasis, stick around because you won't want to miss this.
Starting with the pros of moving to Las Vegas. Las Vegas isn't just the entertainment capital of the world, it's also a thriving job market with opportunities across various sectors. The city's economy has diversified over the years, expanding beyond the glitz of the casino industry. You'll find employment options in technology, healthcare, hospitality, and more. The tourism industry, anchored by the famous Las Vegas Strip, consistently generates a demand for skilled workers. Whether you're in hotel management, culinary arts, entertainment, or marketing, there's a place for your talents here. Plus, with conventions and events hosted year-round, Las Vegas provides a robust job market for those seeking steady employment.
Next, Las Vegas is synonymous with world-class entertainment and a nightlife that never sleeps. The city boasts a plethora of entertainment options, from iconic shows and concerts to comedy clubs and, of course, the famous casinos. It's a place where you can catch a live performance by your favorite artist one night and attend a mind-bending magic show the next. The Las Vegas Strip is a dazzling spectacle in itself, lined with luxurious resorts, themed hotels, and endless entertainment venues. Whether you're a fan of fine dining, shopping, or simply people watching on the Strip, there's always something exciting happening.
Another benefit is Las Vegas enjoys a desert climate with over 300 days of sunshine annually. While summers can be scorching, the mild winters are perfect for outdoor enthusiasts. Hiking in the nearby Red Rock Canyon or exploring Lake Mead's water activities are just a stone's throw away. The dry climate also means fewer rainy days, making it an ideal locale for those who relish an active outdoor lifestyle.
Let's discuss financial reasons next. First off, Las Vegas offers a relatively affordable cost of living compared to many major cities. Housing costs are notably reasonable, with various housing options available, from apartments to spacious homes. Additionally, groceries, transportation, and healthcare expenses are generally manageable, making it an appealing choice for those seeking a balance between urban amenities and financial stability. Another major financial perk of living in Las Vegas is the absence of state income tax. This means you can keep more of your hard-earned money. While there are other taxes to consider, such as sales tax, the lack of state income tax can significantly impact your overall financial situation, providing extra funds for savings, investments, or simply enjoying the city's attractions. It's a substantial advantage for residents looking to maximize their income.
As we shift our focus to the challenges, one of the most significant hurdles is the relentless summer heat, with temperatures often soaring past 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Adapting to this extreme climate demands careful consideration, affecting everything from outdoor activities to daily routines. Understanding the nuances of this desert heat is vital, as it significantly impacts the overall living experience in Las Vegas.
Another substantial challenge in Las Vegas revolves around high utility bills, primarily attributed to the constant need for air conditioning to combat the scorching desert heat. The long, hot summers can lead to steep electricity bills, impacting your monthly budget significantly. Managing utility expenses becomes crucial in this scenario. Simple steps like sealing windows, using energy-efficient appliances, and setting thermostats wisely can mitigate costs. Additionally, embracing energy-saving habits, such as turning off lights when not in use and limiting the use of appliances during peak hours, can make a substantial difference.
Navigating through the bustling traffic and managing crowds, especially around the iconic Las Vegas Strip, is a notable challenge for residents. The city's popularity as a tourist destination means frequent congestion, impacting daily commutes and travel times. Tourist influx can lead to crowded restaurants, entertainment venues, and other attractions, affecting the overall living experience. Balancing the vibrant tourism scene with your personal space and convenience requires patience and strategic planning, essential factors to consider when contemplating a move to Las Vegas.
When contemplating a move to Las Vegas, families face considerations regarding both education and healthcare. The city's educational landscape, while showing improvements, might not align with the expectations of discerning parents, often lacking in advanced or specialized programs. Simultaneously, while Las Vegas has medical facilities, the city's healthcare offerings, especially in specialized fields, might not match those in larger urban centers. Families, therefore, must weigh the available educational resources for their children and consider the adequacy of healthcare facilities, ensuring both academic and health needs are met comfortably before making a decision to call Las Vegas home.
Now that we've explored the allure and challenges of Las Vegas, let's turn our attention to the crucial aspects you should consider before making the big move. Whether it's aligning your lifestyle with the city's rhythm, securing a job, planning your finances, or simply getting a feel for the city, these factors play a pivotal role in ensuring a successful transition. Personal preferences. Before deciding on Las Vegas as your new home, it's vital to evaluate your personal preferences and lifestyle. Consider your interests, social activities, and desired pace of life. Las Vegas offers a unique blend of excitement and tranquility, so aligning your preferences with the city's atmosphere is key to a fulfilling experience. Job prospects. Securing a job before moving is paramount. Research local job markets, update your resume, and explore online job portals specific to Las Vegas. Networking can also play a crucial role, connecting you with potential employers and opportunities in your field. Financial planning. Financial planning is fundamental. Create a detailed budget that accounts for housing, utilities, healthcare, and entertainment. Explore cost-saving measures and consider setting up an emergency fund. Proper financial planning ensures a smooth transition and sustainable living. Visit first. Before making any decisions, visit Las Vegas to immerse yourself in the city's vibe. Explore neighborhoods, amenities, and local attractions. Engage with residents to gain insights into daily life. This first-hand experience will provide invaluable perspective, helping you make an informed choice about relocating to Las Vegas.
One last critical consideration: if your desire to move to Las Vegas is rooted in your love for vacationing there, be prepared for a transformation. Your cherished vacation spot may evolve, not always in the ways you might anticipate. The city you once explored for leisure could become your everyday reality, shaping your experience in unexpected ways. We hope this comprehensive exploration of Las Vegas has provided valuable insights for your decision-making process. For more detailed guides, tips, and expert advice about Las Vegas, consider subscribing to our channel. Also, don't forget to visit our website, vegastwins.com, for in-depth resources to aid you in your journey. Thank you for being with us, and best of luck as you contemplate making Las Vegas a significant part of your life's journey.